Hello， 大家好，歡迎收睇 Pure Living。相信依刻咧都有好多香港嘅朋友咧已經喺英國已經買咗樓㗎啦。咁我哋都見過有啲 case 咧，基本上啲客人咧係買咗樓之後，發覺其實唔想咁快走過嚟英國住喎。咁依刻咧就揾我哋去幫佢租層樓出去啦。咁但係知唔知道喺英國如果租樓咧，身為個業主咧係一定要符合咗佢個 EICR 啦，同埋個 Gas Safety Certificate 嘅。咁今集咧我就 show 俾大家睇，因為咁啱咧我就過到嚟間屋度咧，咁就同個師傅一齊去 go through 成個過程，咁就想 show 俾你哋睇啦。依刻咧，師傅而家都係拆緊個電箱咁 check 翻啲掣啦。咁基本上呢啲當然自己唔可以做噶啦，都係要拆翻個箱，跟住檢查下。So Sakib, what are the main things to look out for whilst doing this job?
What we look at is the safety of the circuits.
Yeah.
So we look at the conductor size, look at the earth bonding, which is the main safety, and the RCD, and also we look at the right conductor has been used for each individual circuit. I've got a list of circuits here.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put that, and then I'm going to do a little bit of test, and then definitely going to do RCD test. It should be tripped within 30 milliseconds, and then record in the results. So right now I'm going to write down the conductor size.
咁師傅都係話係基本上係 check 翻啲線係即係符合到今時今日嘅electrical safety。
1.5 I've got 1.
And you can tell from the colours of the wires that
Yes.
They're quite modern, right?
Yes.
Because this building's quite new.
This is all quite new, as you can see. If you see the color coding right now, we can see only the green yellow, which is earth conductor, as you can see, green yellow. All brown we class as live conductor. Even the blue is neutral, but in our terms we class as live conductor. And I'm just going to see, I'm not happy with this, as you can see, a little bit up, so I'm going to try to push it down. As you can see, it should not be showing, it should be all the way in.
Right.
So that's what I'm going to try to do it. And also, as I said, there is old color coding. If you have an old wiring, the old live conductor used to be red, and the neutral used to be black.
Yeah.
So some old houses, some old flats, apartments, you do see that, and we have to highlight when we do that this installation's got that two colors of wiring. So this is all with the new regulation we call the 18 conditions is compliance with. Also we look for any puncture hole which will cause the fire to escape from the box, if there is any, due to overload or any fault. So that's what we look for.
Great.
So it's pretty good, just apart from one of the live part is showing. Regardless, it's neutral, but we still class as live.
咁師傅就話，基本上以前好多嗰啲舊線咧，如果睇樓咧都會留意嘅，好多舊啲。如果係知道係個舊箱咧，其實一睇已經知啦。但係啲線係反而係舊嗰啲線係用黑色同埋紅色嘅。咁同埋佢依刻咧，其實 overall 呢個電箱都冇乜太大問題，只不過係有啲線咧，你如果睇清楚啲咧，係可以佢試下會陣間推返落去，可以 make sure 係安全，咁樣佢先會 sign off 嘅。
So currently the whole supply is turned off. So because I'm testing, so I do not want to electrocute myself. So everything is switched off.
Yeah.
It may be too big. I wonder why. so I'm not going to bother. Then in that case, it's okay. Still inside, but I thought it may be a little bit up. I could cut it, but I don't need to. So I'll leave that as it is. I'm not going to bother with it too much. Right now.
So that's safe even with that little bit?
Yeah, because it's all enclosed.
Okay.
But the reason for me to be concerned, sometimes what happening is when they tighten up, it may be, I'm just going to show you the situation. It's a bit like this.
Yeah.
So it's just about touching. So I've got to make sure it's all the way down, in, and it's safe. Because if it's a little bit out, what it will do, it will not make a good link, and it will get overheated.
Right.
So everything has to be make sure it's tight and tested. Okay, now I'm going to do one test here. That's my main conductor coming from outside, and this one. So I have to disconnect them, and then I have to do a test on that in case of a short circuit. So my circuit is good enough to provide a safer path instead of giving a person electric shock. So this is my route to take any leakage current back into the earth. Right. So you'll protect the person, and if there is a situation, the RCD will trip within 30 seconds. So I'm going to do this. This is going to be a live test. I have to, link my test device, which I'm just going to get it. That's perfect. Do it again. 0.22, that's fine. So 0.22.
師傅都話咧，其實應該係有條啡色嘅，但係個車度咧依一刻咧就係用緊呢個綠色嘅。咁係用翻呢啲 detector 去 check 翻個電箱嘅 power 係符合嘅。咁好多時咧，其實呢啲新啲嘅屋咧，其實都有埋個alarm system， 咁所以熄咗總掣嗰時咧，又會再響多次㗎。咁而家師傅都係開閂咁 check 翻。咁呢刻師傅開閂都係為咗 check 嘅而家個 power。
So my RCD test result is fine. The maximum time is takes 32 milliseconds to trip. The minimum time is 9 milliseconds, which is perfect.
咁呢啲 reading 都係講翻要幾耐先至可以 trip 成個 circuit， 咁都係佢哋基本上做開嘅 checking。
So it's working.
Thank you.
I have to check upstairs as well.
咁而家走到上樓上，咁都係仲係 check 緊啲 power socket。
Okay, so that's fine. Now I'm going to do the RCD again for the upstairs. I have to run down. I'm going to click this test, and then it's going to trip.
基本上呢度嘅而家師傅都係又走翻落樓上啦，喺個總掣嗰度撳熄佢，跟住睇下佢會唔會trip 成個 system 啦。咁都聽到成個屋嘅警鐘都會不停咁響嘅。咁基本上都係用翻呢啲儀器咧去觀察下啲 gas emission 啦，咁所以係 make sure 係 safe， 咁喺個 boiler 度發出咧先至係穩陣嘅。 So Saqib's finished the gas safety and electrical checks, and then now he's just going to have a quick brief chat about the overall condition.
Yes, it's perfectly fine and it's safer. What we look for is the insulation. If it's gas tight and the flue termination is correctly done, and also we do a CO2 test as well, which is perfectly fine, which is well under the limit what we should expect. And also we check as we got a gas hob as well, so we check the gas hob should have what we call the flame failure device, which somehow activate within 30 seconds. If there's in the process of cooking the gas shut from outside and you do not have the gas back, and then you probably forget to turn the knob off. So right now the knob is on, but there's no gas coming unless you press it down. So once you press it down, then there will be a gas obviously established and you will hear the click. So if, as I said, we do not hold for 30 seconds, the gas will shut. And once it's shut, you'll hear a click after 30 seconds. So that means it's switched off to a safe position, so there will not be any gas coming even though it's open. So we check for all those safeties, and also we do check carbon monoxide alarm, which right now you don't have, but I have recommended highly to get one. And you can just put it somewhere close to the boiler and that. And this is just a safety precaution. It's only for the rental properties. That's with the gas. So I'm very happy with the gas, with the boiler. Everything is fine. The boiler was low a little bit on the pressure, which I just topped it up, and all fine. With the electric, obviously we do check all the RCDs, the tripping times, in case of short circuit, what can happen. So which I already done it, as you probably see in the video. So I'm quite happy with that as well. RCD is tripping well in its predicted time. So I'm very happy with it.
Okay, so overall it should be a pass.
Yes, overall it's pass. Also we visually look for any signs of worn out switch, sockets, lights, bulb, but it's everything pretty good condition. So I'm very happy with the installation. So it is all a pass.
That carbon?
Oh, this is another I thought so. This is a little looks like a CO alarm. So it looks like a CO alarm. Yeah, it is. Yes. So we do have CO alarm. So there's no need. I just overlooked it. That it's working. Yeah, that's fine.
So 係就係呢個咧，就係個 carbon monoxide alarm 咧。咁你如果租樓咧，其實一定都要有咧，先至可以legally compliantly 咁樣租出去嘅。咁依家其實依間屋都有埋呢個，咁呢啲係租盤先至一定要有埋嘅啫。咁呢個
Yeah, that's fine. So I'm 100% happy with the installation. So therefore we don't need to buy anymore. We got one already working.
咁又慳翻呢啲錢㗎，咁唔使呢度再買。
And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, thanks very much, Saqib. 咁記得如果中意呢段片嘅，俾個 like 我哋，同埋 share 段片出去。咁下集再見啦，拜拜。
拜拜。